Yep. We're going up the mountain.
Hey. I didn't sign up for this.
I told you we're gonna go in the forest. Alright guys.
I didn't sign up for this.
Morning workout. Check out the view. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another adventure here in Alaska. Today me and my wife are here at Birch Creek and we are here floating for some coho salmon, guys. We were supposed to come early in the morning, but we overslept a little bit, but that's okay. We arrived in this high tide, guys, so we're just gonna wait it out. We're gonna float some jigs and wait for the outgoing tide. Once the outgoing tide gets here, it should be on fire, guys. For the past couple of days, I have been seeing reports over and over again about this creek, and it's on fire right now, guys. So we're just gonna wait for the outgoing tide. We're gonna throw out some twitching jigs, some eggs. We're gonna hit them at all type of angles today, and hopefully have a successful day. Depending on how we do here, we might head down to Ship Creek afterwards. But like I said, we're gonna give it a couple hours here. We're gonna spend our time and effort, blood and sweat here, and make a good video for you guys. Yeah, I think we are here. We're here. So a little marker to know where to exit out from, guys, is this little thing right here. I'll show you guys. It's like these containers right here are left here, and I think it gives you like a little history of it right here. Oh, the boiler tank. Oh, okay. And this is where we're gonna go out from. Can we just walk straight out, you think? Alright guys, we're gonna walk through this tall grass and water right here. Well, we're gonna walk together and stay together. I think we just walk straight out, yeah. Alright. We got a couple people out here. Alright, it's pretty cool. Like I said, the water is super clear, so you can see like where it drops off and where you can stand and you can't stand. So like a little sandbed right here, and that's a drop off down there. So. Alright, like I said, we are using the twitching jig today. First time trying out this method. I'm gonna just leave it out there in a bobber and just twitch it out there. Let's see if we get something. Oh, first backlash. Brand new line. Fish on? Fish on! Let's go! Yo, on the twitching jig, yo! On the twitching jig! Let's go! You got pink? Just beach it, beach it. Let's go, guys, on the twitching jig. Beach it. Fuck, I got it. Yep, bring it here. Nice! Let's go on the twitching jig. Let's go. See, those twitching jig works, man. Let's go. Okay, release. Let's go. Nice job. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I want to catch a salmon on this rod right here, man. Alright guys, moose. Coming right towards us. Okay, we should move. Look at it. Just looking right at us. Why is it coming at us? Oh shoot. He's looking at it, look. Can you see it?
It was coming at us.
It was.
It was coming at us. It went boom, boom.
I want to walk in the water. I'm trying to fish this channel over here. Now, one thing about here at Bird Creek is that the rocks here are really slippery. Fish on! Let's go. Woohoo! On a bass rod. I think that's a pink too, man. Oh, oh, oh! It is going. I think it's a silver. I don't know. Oh, it's silver! Oh, he's running! Woohoo! Let him run, let him run, let him run. Watch out! Strong fish. Oh, 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 oh. These rocks are slippery. Get it, kill. Is it silver or pink? Yeah, it's strong. Right there, right there. Woohoo! Let's go. Nice job. Look at that, baby. Let's go up here. Yep. Nice, look at that. Got the first one, guys. Ah, yes, I was recording. I would have sucked if I didn't record that one. Fish on! Oh, look, Kelly got fish on right there. Look at that. Back to back. You got it, Kel. You got it, you got it. Back to back, look at that. Silver? It's a small one. Oh, it's a strong one. Oh, it's a good one. Let's go. Woo-hoo. Nice. That's two right there, man. Look at that. Back to back. Look, right instantly on. Me too. That's two back to back. Look at that. Nice. Fish on? Damn, look at Kelly, another fish on. Oh, it's the net. Oh, that's a bigger one. Oh, oh shit. Look at Kelly fight that. Oh. Oh, that's my fault. I could have got it. Let's go. Yeah, hell yeah. That's two. You need one more, you limit.
Hell yeah.
I got it. Ooh. Kelly's going on fire right now, man. Girl. That's two for Kelly. Okay, I can't even get my rod in the water. Kelly already smacking him over there. Fish on, fish on. Let's go. Oh, it's a big one, Kel. It's a big one. I feel all weight. Watch out, watch out, watch out. I'm gonna beat you. We can beat you. We can beat you. This one's a little bigger. Well, it feels a little bigger. Man, they are stacked in there, man. Oh, that's a fatty. I got it. Go ahead. Go ahead, I got it. Look at that, guys. That's two, Cal. Need one more. Look at that hog. That's a freaking hog, man. Woo! Look at that. It's a freaking hog. Look at Kelly. Come on, guys. We need one more. One more each. And we limit out. Whoa, whoa. Coming through. Oh, fish on. Woohoo! That's limit, baby. Yep, I got it. Go ahead. That's 3 fish. Back to back. Limit out, baby. Look, everybody's hooking up. Woo! Another giant again. Woohoo! I limit. Game over. Let's go. Look at that, guys. That's insane. Kelly need one more and we got 6. We are both limit out. So I'm done fishing. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Hell yeah. Woohoo! Fatties too, man. Let's check out Kelly. She's for sure gonna catch her last one. Alright, guys, we ran out of eggs, so we're gonna try to fillet some of these fish and see if they got any eggs that we could use. This is exactly what we're looking for right here. Yeah, it's fun on the baitcaster. Come to the shore, walk over here. Here, Kelly got her last one right here, look.
That's what, fresh caviar.
Yeah, fresh caviar, it works.
You run out of bait.
Right now, bait, man. Oh, it's a good size one, Cal. Beach it, just beach it. Walk up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There it is. Woo! Dude!
Yeah, boy.
That's a nice one too, man. It's fun on a bait cast, huh?
Yeah, it's way better.
Let's go, Kel. There we go. That's what I said, I need a fish bunker, man. Hey, that's a nice one, man. They're all nice ones. Good job, dude. Pick that up with a camera real quick. Take the hook out.
It's in the mouth.
On that arrow jig. Woo. Fresh caviar. Hell yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Let me out, baby. Game over. Let's go home.
Caviar.
Look at that. Fresh caviar right here.
Look at my setup right here.
Yep. Oh. Got the egg, everything going there.
I don't want to come back to shore.
Woo, yeah, baby. What do you say about today?
It was
First time ever barber fishing for
First
Coho
time
salmon.
Bird Creek for me ever
First time everything
here.
for her.
in Alaska.
So we limit out. Yeah, we
First
need,
time limit out for me too.
yeah, we need a good picture, guys. So we're gonna camp the fish. We're gonna get it all prepped, and we're gonna take a nice picture, guys. Let's get it.
Here's the rest of the caviar.
Right here. Alright guys, we are now packed up and ready to head on out. Let's do one more look just in case we forgot something. I got everything, okay.